Did you find your spot?
Is that DC's bedroom?
Good to go?
Good. Stand up tall? Yeah?
Let's change some colors and fix some stuff. And now you gotta rinse and repeat and do this for 3 more sides. You gonna make us a band-aid? Oh, you gonna paint us up a band-aid? Come on, man. The Runaway 2's got a scar. We need a band-aid for it. So I'm gonna put you to work, alright? Alright, deal. Alright, we're gonna put the deuce to work. Right there? Yeah? You're gonna paint it up. The sun's coming out. We got 10 some windows today. And 1 window down and 18 million more to go. No, like, I don't know, 6. Just a whole bunch of little small sections. Got this one done. Alright. Finally got her finished up here. Waxed up and ready for the road. Looking pretty sweet. Need to paint the door yet, but that's okay. I'm happy with her so far. Alright, we got our expert camper tester outers today. What do you think of this thing, man?
Looks nice. I like the band-aid.
You like the band-aid? What do you think? Alright, well, check the inside and tell me what you think, guys. How about the front turtles? Wait till you see the turtles on the side. Alright, hop in there and tell me what you think of the front or the inside. And it's Deucey's room. We have the roof off right now. You guys check out your area. Alright, who's top bunk, who's bottom bunk?
I can be top.
Cool. Did you measure right? Does it fit in the hole?
Doesn't really.
Alright. Where'd you measure wrong? Let's figure it out. Ready for your next ones? You won't come back out now that you got her in there, huh? Pull! There you go. So we got some of this stuff. We just ran out of foam. Good job, man. You got your own room and all, huh? Got your own Deucey room. Vinyl floors. Gotta love our vinyl floors. Gotta put a one-piece floor in this bathroom because you don't want to have one that segments in a bathroom because it's gonna get full of junk. So we're gonna fix that. Well, Christian, she is gonna fix that. I'm just a helper. This installation is called the Spider-Man, right?
I suppose. Small spaces.
And there you be, with Trisha's origami cutting skills, we have a good floor.
Origami is folding, not cutting.
Oh, sorry, close enough. So we got this thing done like 90% of the way, or we bought it 90% of the way. That last 10% just the killer. All the little tedious works. Yep, I think we're gonna call that done. Doggo's good. Bathroom's good. Doggo's room good.
Take a stretch.
The boys are gonna test it out and sleep in it tonight. And so I'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright, camper testers. One, was it? Camper test take one.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Got y'all set up. Alright, have fun, guys. Got you set up there. There you go. Cool, man. Alright, have fun, guys.